Hi, muffins. I know I said I wasn't gonna show my face often, but yes, I will only be showing my face when it's an unboxing, and I don't care. Hi, so I got my first Pop Mart figure, and why would I care? And I think it's called, I don't know how to read it.
It's Pocky.
Oh, okay. I want the ceramic one. Yeah, it's pink.
Naisip pa dahil si Yoyoy.
See what I got. Wait, I'm gonna pause. Okay, so let's see what I got. I don't want to look at the cards over here.
You open it. You open the ano first para you can look at the card.
Let's see what I got. I don't know what I got. Wait, can I see the card? Hey, I got the black one. Wait, let me see. I got the black
Ano
cat.
dapat to?
I got the black
Parang
cat.
Egyptian.
Yeah, that's Egyptian.
Ah,
Yeah, this is cute.
Can you see?
ang ganda.
I like it.
Ay, ang galing. Ano pala siya? Parang, yan o, parang bollard.
Oo nga.
Yung card na yung nagbabalance.
Oo nga. Gusto ko yung Siamese.
Wala Siamese.
Meron.
Ay, yung yarn.
Hindi, nasa.
And guys, I will only be wait. It only stands up.
Wala ka ng space. Dun, parang
Wait, this
Hindi
this-
mo pop art yung space.
wait, this already stands up. It's like one of those.
Yeah,
Tala, this is Pop Mart.
it's like that.
That's Pop Mart.
Hindi nila binigay sa yung box kasi hindi nila. Pati ito, Pop Mart.
Yeah, it's stand up. See?
All of them are Pop Mart.
It's like that.
Itong dalawa lang. Itong Mofusan. No?
Oh,
Pop
sige.
Mart.
I thought this was my first Pop Mart. My brain is not braining anymore. So yeah. So here's the card. That's all for today, muffins.
Bye.
Bye.